If you are serious about earning more money, then you're in the right place at the perfect time. There are over 100 million adult Americans that can benefit from this proven system. Here's why. Almost half of adults in America do not have at least $5,000 in the bank saved for emergencies, and over half of adults in America have virtually no retirement savings. Billionaire Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you are dead." It's sad but true. Most adults are buried in debt after having spent their entire adult lives living paycheck to paycheck, depending only on their job for income. For 2/3 of adults, this is proven to not be enough. So what are you to do? There is a solution for the average person. It's called American Bill Money, also known as ABM. ABM was started in 2003 and was created to provide ambitious adult Americans with a simple system to produce an ongoing residual income from the comfort of their home without having to speak to anyone or do anything crazy. Residual income is when you get paid over and over again for something you did one time. ABM's opportunity is designed to be as simple and as profitable as anything can possibly be. In fact, all you have to do is be disciplined enough to remain an active customer, follow ABM's tips and suggestions, and market ABM in any one or more of the following ways. Distribute and or mail ABM's beautiful full-color postcards or sales letters in your spare time. Market online through social media, classified ads, or any other acceptable method. Market offline by placing classified ads in any of the thousands of places available. American Bill Money's time-tested system does all the telling and selling for you. Their staff answers any questions people may have, and they take the orders for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Whenever one of your postcards or ads create a new basic customer, ABM pays you an incredible 60% commission, which is $75 per month. And with just 2 of these referrals, your cost to be an ABM customer is covered and you are in profit, making your purchase essentially free. Plus, with ABM's new Deluxe option, every Deluxe customer that you refer pays an extra $25 per month for everyone on 3 levels. This can add up really fast. Of course, you must be a Deluxe customer to earn Deluxe commissions. It's easy to get started. You can become a customer of American Bill Money one of 3 ways. First, there's ABM's monthly subscription. You can pay $125 a month for the basic subscription or $250 per month for the Deluxe subscription. Postcards are a separate purchase. Then there's ABM's 6-month subscription. You can pay $750 every 6 months for our basic subscription and receive 1,000 postcards free, or $1,500 every 6 months for our Deluxe subscription and receive 2,500 postcards for free. Last, there's ABM's 12-month subscription. You can pay $1,500 every 12 months for our basic subscription and receive 2,500 postcards free, or $3,000 every 12 months for our Deluxe subscription and receive 5,000 postcards for free. Basic subscriptions will receive 150 fresh names and addresses of income opportunity seekers and buyers on peel and stick labels every month. Deluxe subscriptions will receive either 150 fresh names and addresses of income opportunity seekers and buyers on labels every month, along with ABM's Internet Suite, which includes personalized websites, video, access to online internet marketing training, and a 33% discount on all postcard orders. Or 300 fresh names and addresses of income opportunity seekers and buyers on labels every month, and a 33% discount on all postcard orders. All subscriptions include the use of ABM's automated marketing system. If you received a postcard or saw an ad and are watching this video, you just proved that ABM's system works. See how it can work for you too. ABM's basic pay plan uses a unique 3-up system that enables you to receive commissions infinitely wide from your own efforts and infinitely deep from other people's efforts. Each basic monthly referral earns you $75 a month, and each basic 6-month subscription earns you $450 every 6 months. Each basic 12-month subscription earns you $900 every 12 months. ABM's Deluxe paid plan uses a unilevel system that pays on 3 levels. Each Deluxe monthly referral earns you $150 the first month and $100 per month after that. And each Deluxe 6-month subscription earns you $600 every 6 months. Each Deluxe 12-month subscription earns you $1,200 every 12 months. Unlike most other opportunities, ABM pays you on 6 and 12-month subscriptions, even if you are only paying month to month. You must be a Deluxe customer to be paid any Deluxe commissions. ABM has paid millions of dollars in commissions since 2003, and they are ready, willing, and able to help you as well. There are no limits to the amount of money you can earn with ABM. You are encouraged to call ABM anytime with any questions at the office number 757-966-1790. All the details can be found on our website, www.abminfo.com. If you don't have any questions and would like to get started right away, you can sign up 24 hours a day on the website at www.abminfo.com or over the phone by calling our live order line at 757-455-3551. Don't procrastinate, take action now, and join America's #1 residual income system today. We look forward to helping you succeed.